I will dial my wife number. You speak to her through on the mic, please. Just tell the husband give me some mind ready, please. Tell the number.
The mic cover.
Loudspeaker on.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು ಗುಪ್ತಾನೆ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕದ ನಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ చేస్తాను ನಂಬರ್ చెప్తాను నేను గుప్తా డిస్కో గుప్తా పెన్ కరెక్ట్ 70 7-9. I'll see.
Eight students, sir.
Oh, super!
Thank you. This has been going to last 20 years. Thank you, Disco Garu. Sir, Disco, Disco. Thank you, sir. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have to give chance to senior citizens also. Will use sir. I think an uncle is sitting. So 60 years ayinda.
Inga ledu.
55, 62, 63, 64. Okay. That's the uncle. That's to him. Elders always develop more knowledge. Do you agree, sir? Correct, sir. Gift, sir. What's the name? Rajendra Prasad, sir. Use your sheet or piece. I'll cut now. You have to tell stop wherever your mind tells to stop. For entire body, your mind is the head office. Wherever you want, no force to my side. Read. We created a different world. This is the first sentence where you cut. Can you read out the sheets? Full chadwani. You read. I'll give you mine.
Today, we Vaishya Karnataka Big Business Day 2019. You will be said to cut at this sentence. We created a different world.
Wow!
In this sign, you can tell it's a mind reading or forcing somebody's mind or mentalism. You can name different ways. Thank you, Rajendra sir. Please have a class to uncle to helping me. Thank you, sir. On the occasion of Big Visitors Day, Adil sir and team, we Vaishya team has decided to give sir. 4 gifts are there. One gift is worth 60 lakhs. First me. 60 lakhs. One gift is worth 60 lakhs. Second gift is worth 40 lakhs. Third gift is around 10 lakhs. Fourth gift is 100 crores or 200. I don't know. That you can think it. For that, I want 4 people to help me. Give you a chance to this side. Sir, please come and join us. Follow me in. Run. Yes, sir. Please come and join us. Yes, sir. Please come. Lakpati. Own banega crorepati. Lakpati. That I don't know. Kahani mein twist is sir. We are going to choose the luckiest person of the day for that gift. Just see how they stand. Small, medium, large, have to stand. Don't watch audience. Don't watch audience. I'll throw this ball. Keep on roaming. Wherever, whenever you want to tell stop, just tell stop. At that time, whoever has this ball, they are the Kaun Manarega Lakpati or Karotpati, something like that. You'll start from this side. Coin. Patpati sir. But just throw it. Keep on throwing. Yes. It's going, sir. Keep it up on this, sir. You're the Lakpati, Patni, something not going. Yes. We are choosing randomly who is the luckiest person of the day. She is telling, don't throw. Oh my God. Stop. He don't stop. Big of a clap to luckiest person of the day. Clap to him. Don't worry, Lakpati, Karopati, we don't know. Change it. Cheating that. That's like that. You only told me, uncle, don't throw. Oh my God. Okay, sir, all the best. Congratulations. Huh? Wait, sir. What's this? 4 flowers with 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 80 lakhs worth gifts already is there. In Vaishya, we are very transparent. Transparent deal side, table to table, transparent the business side, we grow together. You believe in that? 4 gifts confirmed, assured gift. No cheating, assured gift. Worth 50, 60, 70 something. No. He is the luckiest person of the day. What's the name? Luckiest person. Fish, sir. I have 4 cards. Can you read that suit? Queen of hearts, Queen of diamond, Queen of spade, Queen of clubs. There are 4 cards. Same 4 symbols over there. Queen of hearts, diamond, clubs, suit. 4, same. Sir, now you have to think about your family guard, home guard, and pray now. Something setting you can make. 100 rupees only as beast money. You have to tell stop and pick any one card. There is no force on my side. It's clear. You can tell stop wherever you want and pick one card. Your time 24 hours. And the time there. They get only 20 minutes there for mind reading. I thought 1 hour. No. Tight schedule. Down, top, confirm. You have to pay another cover. Always, you move card because something like that. Big of a clap to him. Jora Chapale, please. Talia, please. He has chosen Queen of
Love.
Heart. Queen of
Heart.
Very good, yeah. Sir, we made a mistake. Sorry. Okay. I think we have to give that Lakpati gift. I think Deepa is the right person. You have a perfect. Very good. You have a class to Deepa Madam. Jora Chapale, please. Sponsored by everyone. The gift sponsored by no. You must sir, we made a pakka no, sir. We are able to give to money, choose them. Let us see what we have missed.
What even got?
Let's start with no, sir. Sorry, ladies first. Bhavna madam. Sir, if you have chosen this number, Queen of cheating under that. He has visited international trip, Bangkok tour with 6 nights and 7 days package by V. Vaishya. Jora Chapale,
Missed it.
Sir, international trip. Oh, visa letter. Okay, sorry later. Sir, if you have chosen Queen of Clubs, your gift to us, we don't know anything.
Oh!
Yes, this is the gift. Sorry. 1 kg. I don't know. International trip welfare, gold welfare. I think Queen of
Diamond.
Let us see what you have missed.
BMW car with unlimited diesel.
Oh.
BMW car with unlimited diesel, lifetime. From Vaishya. He has gifted his car also. For BMW. You know which side is that? Let us see. Let us see what he has won. I think he has chosen randomly after praying to Ganapati, Lakshmi, Saraswati. I don't know. All the best, sir.
1 year membership.
You are surprise gift from me, Vaishya.
Wow. Whoa.
That gift was I don't know. Maybe last was also I don't know. But you will get a surprise gift right now.
Biscuit ka, Benna biscuit.
Narendra Gandhi. Yes. He told some
Luckiest person ನೀವೇ.
ವೆಂಕಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವ ಮೊದಲೇ
ತಣ್ಣಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ದೀಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್. ವಿರೋಧ ಕಾಸ್ಟು 15 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟೈಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಸಿ all Arya Vaishya members on one platform in a bigger thing. Thanks to V Vaishya to give the wonderful opportunity. 3 months before I would have done blindfold car driving at Rambagh. Go green, save water, the concept Ali. Thank you, sir. Can you show your right hand to me? Your right hand. That hand, madam. I know this is right hand. 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.